Hello, this is CH Dailies. This is a video of an airplane landing on the airport.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at the Bolo National Airport.
It was my first time riding an airplane.
On behalf of your flight, the crew captain Manila and first officer Kairov together with your flight crew captain.
This is a video of our celebration in New Year 2015. Here's an empty glass box, when suddenly a bouquet of flowers magically appeared out of nowhere. This was a video way back in 2015, where my sister saw Jason Lee, the winner of the second season of The Voice Philippines at the announcer in FM City, Cebu. Here's an outside view of SM City Cebu back in 2015. Here's a video of the Skydrop ride in Dapitan when it was not yet open. That's the end of this video. Hope you guys liked